To receive Worldcoins, you need to share your address. This video highlights how you can do this. Hello there, Worldcoin owner. Welcome to the Productivity Company YouTube channel. And today, we teach you how to access your wallet address so that you can share it with other cryptocurrency user wallets to receive Worldcoin. Step 1 is to locate this black Worldcoin outline section. Once you have located it, click it to proceed to the next phase. Step 2 is to click on the QR code icon on the top right corner of your screen. For the third and final step, you can click the copy icon to copy your wallet address to your clipboard, share it with friends, or paste it onto your other wallet, such as Binance. Optionally, you can click Share Address to take you straight to various users and platforms for easier wallet address sharing. We've gotten to the end of our video. If you got this far, receive a huge thank you from the Productivity Company team. We would appreciate it if you liked our video so that the YouTube algorithm can suggest it to more Worldcoin owners.